Hi, everybody. Welcome to Creative Pouring. I'm Cheryl. Today, I had some leftover of this rainbow blue eye candy. I did not want to waste it from another video I did. What I'm going to do is I added a little bit more clear to it, but I'm going to pour it around this new mold I got, this cloud mold, and I'm going to pour it in the edges. Oh, this is such a gorgeous color. And we will work on the rest of this later, after this cures up some, because I don't want to mix this color in. That is such a gorgeous color. There's not enough of it to go over the top, and I don't have enough resin to come over the top with it. But, oh wow. So I might mix up some more. Maybe. I don't know. We'll see what I decide to go on the back later. But it was such a beautiful, beautiful resin color. And this is my Tea Expert resin, by the way. I'm just scraping it off the top there. If there's any on there when it cures, I'll just pop it off. I'm going to fill it as tall as I can without trying to go over the top of that ridge. Okay, I just have a tiny bit left, so I feel much better about that. I will go ahead and when this cures, we will come back and we will do the back of this. I'm not sure what I'm going to put on it yet, but that was just too beautiful not to use. Okay, I'll be back when this is cured. All right, I've decided what I'm going to do. It took me a day or so. I'm going to pour this clear over this back side here. This is just my regular Tea Expert resin. Spread it out a little bit. I'm going to try the cloud effect. I don't know if I can do it or not, but I'm going to try it. I figured, why not? What would it hurt? All right. I did not fill it all the way up. I left plenty of room, I hope. I'm going to take a long neck lighter, move these alcohol inks out of the way. Take a long neck lighter and just go over the back here. I'm going to have to get some of those bubbles up out of the bottom there. I don't know if you can see them or not. I just want to get them released from the bottom there. See all those bubbles I got in there? I'm just taking my little micro brush and just rubbing them over the bottom there. There you go. All right, here we go. I've got some fuchsia and some sapphire. I'm going to shake them up real good. First things first, I totally forgot. We need to mix up the white. And I know you want it kind of opaque, but not real opaque. So I'm going to put a few drops in. Put like 3 drops in that little bit. And this is my Tea Expert epoxy resin pigment paste. Stir this up real good. I hope it's not too heavy. I hope it's not too thick, but we will try. We'll see what happens. I've not done this, so I don't know. Okay. I see another. There we go. You do this. Let me get it one more time with the heat or with the lighter. Okay. Let's go ahead and get these colors on there and see what happens. I'm just gonna drop a few around. I like the fuchsia. It's so pretty and so pink. Drop a little bit more white. I mean, blue. Where there's spots. Okay. Uh, more right there. I want it more blue than pink, but all right, that looks good. I hope. Now, the way that I watched them do it, what they did was they took a cup so you could squeeze it so it comes out a little bit, and then just starts all over the place. Okay, you see how I got those splotches right there? Just want to kind of move them so it's not so heavy. So it don't fall all the way down to the ground. Okay. And you don't want to scratch the bottom when you're doing this. Let me go again. Let's see. Okay, that should be good. Now I'm going to clean up those splotches again. I'm just moving them in. All right. Now it says you need to let it sit for about an hour until it gets a little goopy. So I'll be back in about an hour when it's goopy. All right, it's been sitting for a little bit. I hope it's been sitting long enough. Let's go ahead and just kind of make some cloud movements. Hope it's been long enough. Okay. Now let's go this way. We'll go round and round. Okay. We shall see what this is going to look like. I need to put one more layer on the back, I believe. And then we will see how it looks from there. Okay, we'll see you soon. All right, I've got my resin mixed up. I'm going to pour a back layer on this, but I'm going to do it in the rainbow blue so it'll match the edges here. So this is my Tea Expert resin. Let's go ahead and put some of this in here. It's my eye candy rainbow resin like I used earlier. Go a couple of scoops. I like this eye candy. It's really nice. Colors come out amazing. Okay, let's stir it up real good. Make sure you stir it real good because anytime you work with mica powders, you get those little bitty powder bombs is what I call them. Basically, little bitty mica powder spots that aren't mixed in. And if you try to work with them to get them out of there, they end up getting powder everywhere. So just make sure you stir it real good. Let's go ahead and just cover it. I'm just backing it so that it'll have a color on the back side. And it'll match the edges. I don't want to get it too thick on the back side because it's just a thin layer. There we go. Look how pretty that looks. I'm going to use my long neck lighter and just get some of those bubbles off there. All right, I'm going to let that cure. And tomorrow we will unmold it. I'll figure something out for that. But we'll see you tomorrow. Today is demolding day. Let's go ahead and get this out of here. I've been dying to find out how it's going to look. Oh, it's looking good. On the edges there. I don't know if you can see. That is a beautiful color. Dying to see if it turned out the way I thought it might. I might try to do some blooms soon. I haven't even tried yet. I think I tried it one time a long, long time ago before I started filming. That was like 4 or 5 years ago, something like that. Okay, we ready for this? Just got a little bit of cleanup to do on the edges there. That's it. There we go. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at the depth in that. You know, I actually might be able to do a bloom. I think I'm going to try it soon. See if I can get it right. Well, goodness gracious, that is so, look at that, how beautiful that turned out. Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this pour as much as I did. And wow, look at that depth in there. Can you see that depth in there? Right in there? Try to turn it so you can see it. Oh, but yeah, if you did like this pour as much as I did, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and leave me a comment. And until next time, keep creating, keep pouring. Bye for now. God, that's gorgeous.